Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Maggie, and today I have a short video about Away Luggage updates. I have two videos that I've previously put out about Away Luggage. The first one is a brand rundown that tells you about what the company makes, their product offerings, and why I like it so much, along with some visual images of like the inside of the luggage, the locking mechanism, etc. But I also have a packing video where I go in and pack their carry-on luggage, the smallest size available, to show you just how much it can actually fit. So if you're interested in either of those videos, I'll link those in the description box below. Because I've sold somewhere around 160 to 180 pieces of luggage through the videos that I made, I felt that it was my responsibility to you to give you the updates that Away has released about their luggage. Now, what's so special about it is that it's labeled smart luggage, which means the two carry-on sizes, the carry-on and the bigger carry-on, actually have the capability of charging your smartphone or any other USB charged device, which makes it really handy when you're traveling, especially if you tend to travel with a lot of electronics. Away Luggage is equipped with a 37-watt lithium-ion battery. But recently, some airlines have rolled out updates that make it to where you actually can't keep the battery within the carry-on. Now, because this is the case, just for security reasons, it's not harmful, it's not unsafe for you to use this luggage or have these batteries. These are much like those, portable charging devices that you carry on with you. They just have to be removed from the luggage to show the TSA agents that it is just a charging mechanism and kept with you in the cabin. They actually can't be checked under the plane just for safety reasons. I got my luggage about this time last year, and when it came, the battery is actually within the inside of the suitcase under a zipper pocket, and you have to use a tiny screwdriver to undo the little casing where the battery is. Sometime after I ordered my luggage, they actually redesigned the suitcase to have an ejectable battery that pops out right from the area where you plug in your USB to use the charging port. So this makes it really awesome because you can eject the battery and actually take it with you when you're traveling. So you can put it in your backpack so you don't have to only charge your phone when you have your rolling suitcase. They've redesigned it in a really smart way, which makes it really easy when you go through the airports. So if you have an updated bag, simply press down on the charging port and it will release the battery from the bag. That way you can just send that separately through security and they'll let you move on, no problem. Now, if you have the design like I do, then for certain airlines, they tell you that you have to remove that battery when you go through security, and then you can put it back in as long as it's not being checked beneath the plane. So what airlines have this rule? That would be United Airlines, American Airlines, and Delta Airlines. If you're somebody that's flying out of Asia, agents in Asia have actually been more strict about this battery rule since the inception of this brand. So you're probably used to removing your battery already, but if maybe you're just traveling to Asia for the first time, know that you will run into this issue. But if you typically fly Delta, American, or United, then you'll have some practice in the United States removing the battery. The company recognizes that putting the battery within the suitcase is not the most convenient way for the battery to be designed. They obviously think that their ejectable system, and I wholeheartedly agree, is a bit more user-friendly and easier to remove when you're going through the airport. They're currently working on a quick fix to make the batteries in the older bags ejectable as well, because they didn't want to just give everybody a new roller bag and then have all of these suitcases in a landfill somewhere. They really do want to help the environment through this process and not just throw away a bunch of bags that are perfectly good to be used but are just more complicated to remove the battery from. To be determined on what that solution will actually be, but let's say that you have a bag like me where you have to use the tiny little key that came with your luggage to remove the battery from the suitcase. And if you're also like me and you actually lost that key somewhere along the way, you can just email them at help@awaytravel.com with the subject line screwdriver help, and they'll actually send you a free screwdriver in order to make this easily accessible. So you don't even have to go out and buy one on your own. You just need to put this one in a safe place so that they don't have to keep sending them to you. As you can see, Away really is doing everything that they can to make these bags usable, user-friendly, environmentally friendly by not just disposing of all of the old models. So stay tuned for what their quick fix might be for these batteries. But again, I felt it was my duty to update you on this if you bought the luggage because of a video that I made. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. But if you're interested in learning more about Away, again, I'll have those videos linked in the description box below as well, and a coupon that will actually get you $20 off your purchase if you find out that maybe this smart luggage is something brand new to you and you want to purchase one too. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you did enjoy it, then subscribe. Stick around for more. I'd love to have you in the community, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.